Parts of a corn seed outer covering of the corn seed. A corn seed is covered by a protective layer. This layer also has tiny pores, known as micropiles. If a teacher carefully cuts a corn seed with a sharp blade, they will notice its internal structures. Embryo, initial plant. The embryo is the fundamental part of the seed, which later develops into a new plant. It has distinct structures. The embryonic leaves, which later transform into the plant's actual leaves, are also part of this structure. Endosperm. This is the part of the seed that contains stored food in the form of starch and oil. When the seed starts to germinate, the embryo consumes this stored food for nourishment. Cotyledon, seed leaf. Since corn is a monocot seed, it has only one cotyledon. This cotyledon helps transfer the stored food from the endosperm to the growing embryo, ensuring its proper development. The germination of a maize seed. First, the seed absorbs water, and this process begins underground. The root is the first part to emerge from the seed, growing downward into the soil. This initial root is called the radicle. Afterward, the shoot starts to grow upward, pushing through the soil. The protective sheath covering the young shoot is called the coleoptile. Once the seedling emerges above the ground, it begins to develop leaves and grow in different directions. The outer layer of the seed and its initial leaves serve as the primary source of nutrients. During germination, the seed relies on stored food in the endosperm to sustain its growth. Photosynthesis does not begin until the seedling's first true leaves develop.